most of the babies, newborn babies, develop jaundice, which is very common and that we all know. Most of the times, this jaundice is harmless and it resolves with the time. What we call unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia. So most of us who have babies, we know that it is common to have small amount of jaundice. Baby may need phototherapy or some medications, and most of the time he should outgrow. The entity that I am going to talk today is neonatal cholestasis. That is, if the jaundice is because of some liver problem. So as a parent, how do we know that this jaundice is because of the liver problem? So a very simple way is to look at the urine of the baby. If the urine is high colored, that means if it is too yellow all the time, it is staining the diaper. And whenever you are washing the clothes of the baby where baby has done urine and you can't remove the stain properly, so that tells that it is probably conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, which may be because of some liver problem. And normally the other way is look at it, if the jaundice is persisting beyond 2 weeks of life, then it is time to meet your pediatrician or the specialist that he will help you to make the right diagnosis. So first step, if we come to know that this jaundice may be because of the liver disease, so we wonder that why in such a small baby there is a liver disease. So there are many causes. Now we know more than hundreds of causes. So we divide it into 2 to 3 parts. Most important is the surgical cause, where structures around the liver are not formed properly. So there is urgency to diagnose this entity. So we may ask some blood test, liver related blood test, other specific blood tests, ultrasound scan and some other scans to diagnose this entity, and sometimes we need to do liver biopsy also. So if it is a surgical cause of disease, surgery has to be done as early as possible, preferably within 60 or 30 days of life, because if the surgery is done early, the success of surgery is higher. Now the other possibilities are metabolic liver diseases, where liver is not able to take care of some toxins in the body. And then there are some causes where what we call, we don't know the cause, but the jaundice can improve over the time. So these are the broad categories. But as a parent, what we need to know is never ignore if the jaundice is because of the liver issue. If jaundice is not improving in your baby over a long time, it is time to meet the specialist like pediatric gastroenterologist and hepatologist. Whatever tests are required has to be done, and it has to be diagnosed as early as possible and treated appropriately, because any delay in diagnosis or treatment can be harmful for the baby. But the best part is most of these diseases are treatable. Anything is specific, your specialist will discuss with you. But the bottom line is, if the jaundice is because of liver problem in a newborn baby or an infant, we should never ignore it, and please follow up with your specialist.